Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a paper squishy update. I haven't done one of these in the longest of times, and to be honest I can't really remember like what squishies and stuff I've already featured. So I've picked out the ones that I don't think have been in any collection or update videos. So yeah. First of all, I'm going to start off with this 3D pancake paper squishy that I made in a tutorial the other day. This one here turned out so super well, nice and slow rising, especially for the fact that it is a paper squishy. I'm just really happy with it. As you can see, it bounces back pretty much all the way. It does have a few crinkles, like, you know, obviously all paper squishies do, but you can just kind of like squish them out and then they're back to normal. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I absolutely love its face as well. I just think it's so cute. Next I have a bubble tea one. I have actually made these in a few colours. As you can see here, here's a purple one. I think film this one to begin with, but then the lighting was really bad that day, so I couldn't kind of save the footage, so I just refilmed it when I made this purple one. As you can see again, they are nice and slow rising, and yeah, just the same. The tape on this one is kind of unraveled a bit, oops. But yeah, here are the bubble teas. Next I have the little kind of cotton candy. This one here has probably been shown in like my tutorials and stuff before, definitely in one of my big collections, but I don't think I've like put it into an update video, so I figured I'll just pop that one in as I found it hanging around. And yeah, I just love these ones. They definitely do look like little poops on a stick, but I kind of really like them anyway. Next up I have this pepperoni pizza. It's a really nice size and really nice as it just bounces back the way that you want it to. I love the little kind of shading on here, and yeah, just really happy with it and really like this one. Next I have one that I don't really like, and this is this Hello Kitty donut. I think it turned out quite realistic with the shading and the dots and just stuff like that. I also have another one that I don't really like, and that's another donut, which is this panda one. They just don't really work very well in terms of a squishy because you can't really get them very big with the hole cut out. So yeah, like this one here is definitely a little bit naff, but I don't know, what can you do? So there's those ones. We've obviously got the panda and the Hello Kitty donut, which suck. So I'm gonna just throw them over there. Next up, I don't know if this counts as a paper squishy or not, but I've obviously got this popcorn one. The only thing is though, I've lost all the little bits of popcorn, so I've only actually got 3 left. I think I made 6 in total, but they've kind of like disappeared all over my house. But anyway, this obviously does have a paper element to it when I made the paper packet, and yeah, I don't really know if that counts, but I wanted to just show you anyway because I loved this squishy. Next I have my Galaxy Strawberry. I made this quite a while ago, but don't think I've ever featured it. It squishes really nicely. I think maybe I put a bit of memory foam offcuts in this one because it does pretty much bounce back all the way. I absolutely love the design on this. Like, it's really hard to show up a camera, but there's so much depth in it, like from where the water's kind of mixed the colours together and left some colours, and it just looks really good. I think this design actually it just turned out so well, so I'm really happy with that. By the way, I never ever do the backs because I'm so lazy and I just can never be bothered. Isn't that really awful of me? But you know, what can you do? So there's the Galaxy Strawberry. Next I have another one of the ones that's like a paper packet, and this is the little cheese puff ones, the one that everybody got super mad at me for because I didn't squish them very well. I have put this in another collection video recently, just like a squishy update where I squished them all super well, but I kind of like keeping them inside the paper and using it almost like a paper squishy filler because I just think they look so cute in their little packet. So yeah, there's the cheese puffs. Next I have one from Easter, and it is this little Easter chick. I know I've definitely had so many more than this, but I haven't shown them, and that simply is because I've given some away and like in my giveaways and stuff, and I've also got rid of a few that I've kind of broken. This one here definitely had memory foam in, I could tell, just because of how fat it is. But again, it just squishes really nicely for a paper squishy, just because it's nice and fat. So yeah. As you can see here, like when I do it like this way, you can kind of see it bounce back to its shape. Yeah, here is that little Easter chick one. Next, I have one that I haven't actually shown you guys yet, but I have filmed a tutorial on it, and this is this little retro TV. It will be coming very soon. This was actually a request from a few people, but yeah, I filmed it, I just haven't edited it yet, and it's just this little TV with a little aerial. Again, the back isn't kind of designed because I'm lazy, but I'm really happy with this. I love the colours, and I just love its little face as usual. Next, I have the 3D unicorn cake one. This is obviously 3D with the ears, the horn, bit of detailing, and yeah, really happy with this one. This is one that doesn't go back all the way, but it does work super slow rising for the bit where it does kind of puff out. Like, I don't know if you can see, it's still bouncing back, but it doesn't go all the way, so you do kind of have to shape it back. That's the problem that I've had with 3D ones. But like I said, it does bounce back nice and slowly, and especially for the fact that it is paper and you can't really get a great finish with paper in comparison to like memory foam and stuff, but it does the job, and with a little bit of kind of pushing it back to shape, it does kind of go back to shape. See? I don't know. Great alternative if you don't have memory foam in your country, if you can't afford it or anything like that. Paper is a great alternative, so yeah, there's that one. Next, I have another paper one, but this is my, oh, gross. Next, I have another one, which is a paper packet with kind of memory foam squishies inside, and this is the Marshmallow Pack that I did. Obviously, I did a big tutorial on how to make this one, including the inside little marshmallows themselves and the packaging, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's another one of those ones that I just like to squish inside of the bag. I don't know why I like to do this. I just quite like to squish squishies inside of their packaging because I feel like they look all like nice and neat inside, like almost like a little sleeping bag. I'll get one out for you in a second because no doubt people want to see them, but just here's one. I think their faces are so sweet. I covered them in, what's it called, like baby powder, talc powder, just to give them a nice like matte kind of marshmallowy, sugary, powdery type effect. But yeah, I just think they're so sweet, and they all just live inside of their own little paper sleeping bag. This bag is also resealable with the grip seal element that I popped in. So yeah, I will leave, by the way, all the links to the ones that I have tutorials on in the description below. If there are a couple which I haven't posted tutorials of yet, I think there's two, which is the TV and the one I'm going to show you in a second. I will also like pop them into a playlist on my like channel. So if you want to see those videos, obviously make sure you're subscribed, as if you click that bell as well, you will get notified that I post. And then if you like follow my playlist and stuff like that, you'll see every time that I add them. So if you only like these paper ones, I do have a playlist just on paper squishies, which you can kind of like and kind of follow, so that when I add a new video to it, you will obviously see it. But yeah, really like that, and obviously I will add that to my playlist for paper squishies too, because I think at the moment it's only in normal squishies, but you know, there's a bit of paper going on, and just because I've made the insides look cute doesn't mean it's not paper. Anyway, last but not least is another one that I haven't shown you yet. I do have a tutorial on it, but I just haven't edited it, so it will be up soon. I don't know when. It's just when I want to kind of edit the video. But it's this 3D cake roll paper squishy. I absolutely adore this. I think this is probably like my favourite, or maybe my second favourite behind the pancakes, but I absolutely love it. I've popped a little 3D strawberry on top made out of paper. Obviously the whole thing is 3D. I've got like this sugar effect all the way around with a white Posca pen, and yeah, really just super happy with that. It also bounces back really nice. It just squishes really nicely. If I just squish it at an angle, you can kind of see it popping back to shape. It's just really nice to fit in your hand, and it just looks so cute. I didn't actually have a face on it, but then I decided it just needed a face, and I feel like that's just like topped it off to perfection. Anyway, that is the very last one I have to update you on. Let me know which one was your favourite. Mine is definitely this cake one, these marshmallows, and my pancakes, as I just feel like these three are just so cute, and they're just all my favourite foods because I love food. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really does help me to see like what type of videos you want in the future. For example, if you thumb this one up, I know that you like paper squishies and you like collection videos, and it really just helps me gauge what you kind of want to see. If you have any requests for future videos, please leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!